Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to disable FN key Windows 11. So you can often disable the FN key functionality by pressing FN plus ESC together, which toggles the function key behavior between using the F1 and F12 keys for their default functions like volume control, brightness, etc., or the standard F1, F12 behavior. So go to Start menu and open your keyboard settings. So this is what it looks like. And all you have to do here is to simply press the FN plus ESC together. So hold down the FN key and while doing it, press the ESC key. This combination toggles the FN key lock and your function keys should now work directly without needing to hold the FN key. If this method works on your device, you won't need to press the FN key anymore to use the F1, F12 keys for standard functions like refreshing, renaming, and opening help. So you have to take note that this feature depends on your keyboard manufacturer, and not all keyboards have this functionality. If it doesn't work, you may need to use the BIOS method or manufacturer software as described in other tutorials. So I really hope that this video helped you. That's how simple it is to disable FN key Windows 11. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.